Jai Hind everyone. So the GTS sir has given me 4 amazing topics to speak on my lecturate, and I have to decide one. So I have decided Indo-China relationship to speak on my lecturate. I hope that you will enjoy my lecturate and gain some effective information from it. So for better understanding, I have divided my lecture into 3 heads. The first one is intro, second one is the current scenario, challenges and solution regarding it, and third one is my conclusion and my opinion. So starting with my lecturate, what is Indo-China relationship? Indo-China relationship refers to the bilaterals between the dominion of India and the dominion of China. The relations were not hostile earlier. It became hostile when the victory of Communist Party in 1949 in Indo-China border came, and it turned over the relationship into hostility. So looking at the current scenario, the current clash was at the Galvan Valley in 2020 in May-June approx, and it was not the first casualty. There are many casualties held before. Now coming to the solutions. The first solution is ASCII China and the LAC control. China is demanding all over the Galvan Valley, and it has restructured its map according to it. The second is the growing influence over the countries like Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, etc. Third is the import-export relationship between two countries, and fourth one is the weakening of protocols and the trust. Like it had a 1993 treaty of peace agreement, but it is not continued right now. The solutions regarding to my challenges are that we should decrease some import-export relationship because we are importing much rather than exporting. Second one is we should develop multiple equipments in defense so that we can engage our military troops to fight more. The third will be joining India into collaborations like Quad and etc., which focuses on the maritime activities also and the border activities also. So now coming to my conclusion of the point, I think that the relations were not the same in the earlier ones because the relations have changed a bit, so we can bring back the relationship which we had by maintaining peace, tranquility, and by also the most important part, we can decrease the terrorism, and also by collaborating India into much more associations like I have mentioned in the example Quad. Thank you. That was all about my lecture. Jai Hind.